Hello everyone. It gives me extreme pleasure to stand before you and present yet another video for you. I would like to give a big thank you for giving me such an overwhelming response. The contents of this video is just to give you rapid method and tricks in the calculation of daily use mathematics, and it is just a complementary to the traditional mathematics which we use nowadays. Now let us begin trick number 1, and in this trick we are going to learn the multiplication by a single digit number with 99, 999, 9999 and so on. Let us see how these tricks are being done. I will write the explanations over here and we will do it together. So the first trick is 3 multiplied by 99. 3 multiplied by 99 is equal to, we see 3 and this last 9. Now 3 9s are 27. So you write 2 here and 7 here, and in between you insert this 9 over here. So 297 is the answer. The second question, 5 multiplied by 999 is equal to, against the same trick, 5 and this 9. So 5 9s are 45. We write 45, 4 and 5, and in the gap in between you insert these two 9s. 9 9. So our answer is 4995. Trick number 3. 9 multiplied by 9, 9, 9 and 9. The trick is the same, and irrespective of the numbers being big or large or huge, you just have to follow the same trick. And the trick was what? This 9 multiplied by this 9. So 9 9s are 81, 8 and 1. And how many 9s are left? 1, 2, 3. Insert these 3 9s here. So 89,991 is your answer. You can take other certain questions and you can do the multiplication by yourself. But let me tell you one important thing. This is multiplication of a single digit by 99. 9 and 99, 9,999, 99,999 and so on and so forth. So this was trick number 1. The second trick which we are going to do together relates to the multiplication of a 2-digit number by 99. Any 2-digit number it can be. It can be 12, it can be 14, 25, 65 or any 2-digit number multiplied by 99. So see the condition, 2 digits and 99 2 digits. So this is the same, 2 and 2. The first question over here is, I'll take some random questions over here. And the question is 22 multiplied by 99, the condition, 2-digit number multiplied by 99. Now the solution is very simple. You just have to see the explanation. Put a partition over here. From 22 you minus 1. How much is left? 21. Now this 21 minus from 99. So how much do you get? 7 and 8. The first part of the answer, the second part of the answer, and if you combine them together, you will have 2178. Isn't that easy? Multiplying a 2-digit number by 99. Otherwise, normally what happens, you do the conventional way, and in steps you add it, and finally you add it. But over here in one single horizontal line, you can do this. Second question. Now the second question is the same as the first one, only the numbers will differ over here. So second question is 76 multiplied by 99. Again, make a partition over here. From 76 minus 1, what is left? 75. From this 75, subtract from 99. This is the second part. And what is left? 2 and 4. Combine the two, you get answers 7, 5, 2, 4. This is when we multiply 76 and 99. So this is the second part of the question and the final question altogether. And now you can really see how quick we can do these calculations. And finally we come to the last question. Any number you can take. I'll take 99. 99 multiplied by 99. What about this? So there's no need to get unduly perturbed. All this is very easy. The same contents will be there. Same explanation will be there. Partition 99 minus 1. What is left? 98. 98. This 98 deduct from 99. How much is left? 0 and 1. Combine them together, you have 9,801. This is your answer. This was trick number 2. Now we move on to trick number 3. Now in trick number 3, we have multiplication by any 3-digit number with 999. Any 3-digit number if you take, the concept is this only. There is no change in the concept. So I am giving you another question over here. Supposing you take 561 multiply by 9, 9 and 9. 561 multiplied by 9, 999. The concept is the same. Partition, subtract 1 from here. How much do we get? 560. Now this 560 deduct from 560, deduct from 999. What is left? 4, 3 and 9. So the final answer when you combine the first part and the second part is equal to 560,439. This is when you multiply 561 multiplied by 999. And finally we come to the last part of this question, and the last part of this question is multiplication of a 4-digit number, any 4-digit number, by 9,999. Now be careful of the conditions over here. 4-digit here, 4-digit in 9,999. So I'll take a 4-digit number. 1,234 multiply by 9,999. Right? 4-digit here and 4-digit there. The same thing we are going to do. We'll make a partition, subtract 1. The answer left for the first part is 1, 2, 3, 3. Now you can see I'm doing from left to right, right? Because I have to just subtract 1 only. All the other numbers are greater than 1. Now this minus from 9,999, 1, 2, 3, 3. So what is left? 8, 7, 6, 6. And when you combine them together, the answer you will get 1, 2, 3, 3, 8, 7, 6, 6. So this is the 4-digit answer which we have multiplied, and finally you can continue with the procedure with even greater and bigger numbers. So we come to the end of this video, and I am sure you must have loved the contents of this video. And as I've told you, take a pen, pencil and paper and begin with practice, because as I told you, practice will make you perfect. And before I sign off, I would like all of you to give your likes and share and subscribe this video and hit the bell icon so that I would be able to present further videos for your enjoyment and calculations. Happy calculations. Thank you.